Hey folks, well it is the Sunday after the storm, and as you can see we've had a fair bit of damage. We've got a big pine tree down there, we have an ash tree. We've had to do a fair bit of chopping because this is the only laneway into the house, so we haven't been able to get out, but we managed to get through yesterday. Ancient tractor here, which we are going to need because we can see that we've got one tree here which is leaning over. Now we can just get the car under it, but we've another storm coming, so we need to get out of here. That's probably going to fall. So we want to take it down and cut it up. So what we're going to do is, chainsaw here obviously, we're going to cut a wedge out of the back of the trunk there. Not enough for it to go all the way through, because I'd be very worried with this because it's being held up by this tree over here, and I don't want to cut right through the trunk because there's a fair chance I'm going to get hit with the tree. So I want to get as far away as I can. So we have a steel wire here, don't know if you can see that, and that is going all the way back to seen before ancient tractor. So we're going to give it a cut. We're far enough away with the tractor here that we're out of the way, and we're going to give it a pull. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we now have a wedge cut, and it did actually just start to crack just here, so I think that's going to come down pretty easily. So I probably won't be able to film this, but let's get on the tractor and see can we get it down. Okay, so I had to stop filming there. It wasn't really going according to plan. We got caught in a branch up here and it didn't come down the way that I really wanted it to, so I had to go and try it on the other side. But anyway, it is down. I've got to cut it up. It's an awful shame to take down a nice tree like that, but it was going to come down anyway with the storm forecast. So for today, that is that.